company. Our company named Doing Holding, and also we have another name, Jinrui Shiping, machinery engineer, and we focus on garri processing line for over 10 years, more than 10 years. And next I will introduce firstly the company profile, and then the team show, and then the project cases, and then the equipment introduction to you. Firstly, let me introduce our company to you. Okay. Our company was established in 2011, and we also have other company to do different business over the world, such as firstly, we have many company with Jinrui Shiping combined with the Doing Holdings, and we also last year we set a branch office in Nigeria, and we also have the warehouse in Nigeria. The company was established in 2011, starting as a trading company. At firstly, we are a trading company. 16 is success to our company, and potatoes, because we have too many, but like stainless steel and other in our own factory. If you are in Nigeria, our company, so that I can communicate with you online on website. This one is a picture of our production team, picture of our company, and this project is we do it in Nigeria, and this one is Benin and Sierra Leone and Congo and Tanzania. Hi, hello, Divine. Hello. If you are interested in cassava processing line or garri line or cassava flour, you can leave message to on it, okay? And I will contact you later when I off from the live house. Please leave message. Thank you. Please leave message. And you also can later I will show you how we process garri. You can stay in my live room, and if you have any question, you can tell me, and I will answer you when I see it. Okay. We've done many projects in Nigeria, and we also have a branch office in Nigeria. So please leave message, and then we will contact you. And in Nigeria, we've done the cassava starch processing line. It's 2 tons per hour, cassava starch processing line. And this one is 4 tons per hour cassava starch processing line, also did in Nigeria. Thank you, Divine. Thank you. You're so kind. Thank you. And this one we did in Indonesia is 12 tons input per hour. 12 tons input per hour. You know that if you process 4 tons raw materials, you can get 1 ton finished product. So this one, Indonesia, 12 tons per hour cassava starch. It means that you can get 3 tons cassava starch per hour. So it's a very big factory. And this one is 6 tons per hour input potato starch processing line. And we also you see it in China. In China, we also we usually did the project of potato and sweet potato, but in Africa we usually do the project of the cassava. And we also did many projects of cassava flour, but I didn't show it in the in this presentation. So you can we also have a cassava flour processing machine. And there are some pictures of the factory. We took it. We took the pictures at the factory. You see it. This one is cyclone. Have you seen it? Cyclone. And this one is this picture is for the processing stage. This one is a rasper machine. And you can see this. This is a flash dryer. You will dry the powder by using this system. It's very convenient. And you can see this one. This one is what we did in Jiaozuo. In Jiaozuo, it's very near to our factory. And this is a project for potato starch. And you can see it. It's vibration sieve. And these are cyclone. We also need cyclone to help us refining the starch. This is a cassava starch project. It's in Indonesia. You can see if you want to have a factory or if you want to start this business, you also can set up a factory like this. And you can see there, it's raw material, it's cassava. You need a very big land to put the cassava. Because when you cultivate the cassava from land, first machine, what's the name of the first machine? I said cyclone. It is used in cassava starch processing line. Cyclone. Then I will show you. Okay, please stay at my live room. I will show you later. Divine. May I know what kind of business you want to do? You want to process garri, or you want to get cassava flour, or you want to get cassava starch? It's different. It's different, friend. It's different. Okay, you can tell me what kind of business you want to do. It's if you want to do garri, later I will tell you how to process garri. And if you want to process cassava flour, you can leave message to us, or later I will send all these messages to you to help you to start your business. And you can see it when we install it. If you want to set up your own factory, you may need this kind of trunk to help you to install the machines. And okay, I see it. To install the machine and your factory, I see it. I will tell you how to process garri. Please stay. Okay, please stay. I will tell you. Later I will tell you. After all of this, I will tell you. And these are some pictures of our customer visiting. This one in the picture is the vice president of Sierra Leone. Maybe I can't remember very clearly, but it's a vice president. We cooperate with some government and many society association in Africa. We cooperate with them. So you can, if you want to buy machines, you can believe us. And this is a machine delivery, the pictures of machine delivery. So if we deliver the machines to Africa or to your country, to your place, we will use wood to pack it, to ensure your goods are safe. And before we delivering or during the delivering, we will use a camera to record all the procedure, and we will send it to you. You can see each machine, every machine and everyone, they were delivered into the trunk, and they were put one by one, so it's very safe. And you can confirm it even you are not in China, even you are not in our factory, and you will be there is no worry to you, and you don't need to worry about anything. We can deal with anything, and we also will send all the videos to you to tell you what we've done. Okay, then, and this one is we will send your goods to the port. We will send the goods to the port and feed into the container, and the ship will deliver the machines to your port, and then you can get the machines to at the port. And these are some installation pictures. If you buy a fully automatic processing line, fully automatic processing line, our engineer will guide you to how to install it, and you have to find your own workers to do this, and our engineer will also teach your workers how to operate it, and how to use it, and how to use the machines, and they will teach the workers how to deal with some simple, some easy problems. So it's very convenient. And you can see these are some installation pictures. And then I will tell you the equipment introduction. I will tell you some equipment. The first one is the feeding hopper. This one you can later you will see it in the video. You can put the raw materials into this feeding hopper, and at there the raw materials will be put into the belt conveyor. Because cassava is very big and it's regular. If you just put it into the belt conveyor, maybe the raw materials. Maybe the raw material, I can. Maybe the raw materials will fall from the belt conveyor. So you will use this feeding hopper firstly to put the raw materials. I can, Mr. Divine, I can tell you later. And this one is a belt conveyor. This is a belt conveyor to transfer the raw materials into next procedure. See it, conveying fresh cassava tuber to dry sieve unit cutting machine. It can be used to many places, the belt conveyor. And next machine is a dry sieve. We will use the dry sieve machine. This machine can remove some mud and earth and other like leaves or some little stones from the cassava. And at the bottom of this machine, we have some gathering components, and the impurities will fall from this place, and you will gather them very easily. Next one is paddle washer. We have to wash the cassava very clear, very clean, to make sure that we can eat the high quality garri at last. So the second stage is to clean cassava, remove mud, peels, and we will use this paddle washer machine to wash the cassava. And also at this machine we have many holes here. This place will this hose will let the water come out and let the dirty water come out. And there we also have this place to place some big stones. And next one is the peeling machine. We all know that the cassava has 2 layers, and it's very hard for us to peel the 2 layers on the cassava, so we use this peeling machine. And this new type of sun roller design has strong function which can fully wear off the second layer, white peel of cassava. The peeling effect is good, and the cassava after peeling has no damage and less loose. Inside this machine we have sun roller. The sun roller can be tough when the water sprays. So with a spray water system, the cassava is washed while peeling, clean and very clean, while ensuring the continued and stable operation of the peeling machine. And at the bottom of this machine, we also have some collection device at the bottom. So you will gather the layers and some waters and other impurities at the bottom. And this machine is made of stainless steel 304, very durable material. And this one is a grating machine. It's used to grate the cassava into mesh. Used to grating cassava tubers into mesh, even grating fast production speed. This machine very little, but it can process 1 to 2 tons raw materials per hour. And this machine also fully made of stainless steel 304. It's a food grade stainless steel, very durable and very tough. And next one is hydraulic press. You know that after we grating, if you want to process garri, you have to do some fermentation. And after the fermentation, you have to squeeze the water out from the cassava mash. And this machine is used for squeezing out the water. This one called hydraulic press machine. This machine is also made by stainless steel 304, and it's automatic pressing, very quick and very easy to operate, very easy to use. Okay, and next one is a garri fryer. After we squeeze the water from the cassava mash, we will fry it to get the high quality garri. If you want to get white garri, you just fry it. If you want to get yellow garri, maybe you have to add the palm oil into this. Both of them are delicious and very popular in Africa, in Nigeria, in Ghana, or in the Benin, someplace in Africa. And this one is a vibration sieve. This machine is used for separating the big fibers, very big fibers, from the high quality garri. and you can see there is a back screen on it. And the sieve is lifelong service. It's very durable. And if you want to change it, if you want to do cassava flour, you can also use this machine, just to change this this back hole, this back screen, and you can use this to get to separate, to sieve the cassava flour. It's okay. And there are some MCC component. There are some electricity control component. Then I will show you. Mr. Divine, are you still in this live room? I will show you the 3D video of how to process cassava. How to process garri. Sorry, let me. Hi, very glad to see you. I will show you a 3D video. All the friends in this live room, I will show you the video of how to process garri. The whole procedure of how to process garri. Okay, now please, firstly, just watch the video and then I will tell you which part of them and how to use it, okay? Okay, here is the video just I showed to you now is the whole procedure of how to turn raw materials into garri and then pack into a package. And you can see this is you can, yes. Sir, please leave your contact number and just call our leave your message, and then I will tell you later. Okay. You can see this one is a whole it's a whole line how to place in your factory. If you have a factory, you will place the machine just like this, or just a line. It's okay. It's both okay. If you buy our machines, we will give you a detailed drawings of how to place the machines, how to place the cabinet, how to place the control. We will give you. And the first one you can see this is a feeding hopper. It's a feeding hopper. And you can see there is a vibration device, and this can transform the cassava into the belt conveyor. You can set two workers there to pick up some big stones from the cassava at this place. Sir, please leave your message, then I will call you back, then I will contact you later. Please leave your message. Thank you. This room is for this live show is for how to process garri today. If you are interested in garri processing line, you can leave your message and we will contact you later. And this machine is a dry sieve machine. You can see it is a dry sieve machine, and it can remove some impurities and the mud and the leaves from the cassava, because we cultivate the cassava from the land. There are many impurities on cassava. And please see this place the impurities fall from the dry sieve machine, and it will be gathered at this place at the bottom of this machine. And this one is a paddle washer. This machine is a paddle washer. And this can wash cassava very clean. Leave this one to do fermentation. And after 2 to 3 days, because we know that when we eat garri, the garri has a sour flavor. It means that we have to do fermentation, and the garri will be very delicious. After the fermentation, we will squeeze the water from the squeeze the water out from the cassava mash. After the fermentation, we will squeeze out the water, and we will use this machine, the hydraulic press machine, to squeeze the water out. And by using this machine, after dewatering, material moisture around 38 to 40. Then after the dewatering, we get the cassava cake. Then we will turn the cake into fryer to fry garri. At this place, we set a crusher. This one is to crush the cassava cake into powder so that we can fry it very convenient. You can see the cassava into powder, the cassava cake. By using this machine, turn to cassava powder, turn to garri powder. And next we will enter to the frying process. This machine is fully automatic. It can fry the garri automatically, and you can adjust the temperature and the speed of the stirring at this place, at this control component. After frying, there is a handle. You can use this handle very easily to pour out the garri. Just shake it. Just turn it, and you can use it very easily to pour out the garri. Also, at this place, you can add the palm oil into the fryer, and then you can get the yellow garri. And you can, if your capacity is big, I said if your capacity is big, so it means that you may process many garri per hour. So maybe you can dig a pool to cool down the garri, because the garri, the temperature of the fryer may be over 200 degrees, so the garri is too hot. After you frying, the garri is too hot, so you can have this system to cooling down the garri. This is a cooling system. After the temperature get lower, the garri fall down into the vibration sieve. See it, the vibration sieve, to separate the big particles from it. And you see at this place, we have two outlets. One outlet, this one, at the upper one, will gather the big fibers, the big one, and then this one is the high quality garri. We have two outlets at this vibration sieve. And for the big one and some particles and other things very big, you can send it to the crusher again, to crush it again and sieve it again. Or if you want to eat some big particles, or to if you think it's delicious, you can also eat it. And for the smaller one, for our garri, high quality garri, it will go through this outlet and be packaging. This one is automatic packaging machine. So dear friends, any questions of you? any questions of you? Is there anyone in this live room? Please type 1 or type something. Let me know if you are in this room, okay? I still have 5 minutes. I will answer some questions to you. Anyone? Hello? Is there anyone? Please type something. Hi, Mr. Divine. Hello. You are still here. Very, very glad to see that you are still here. Do you leave your contact number on this to our website or to some place? And I will contact you later, okay? Do you leave some messages? I will contact you 10 minutes later. Please leave your contact number, okay? And now maybe it's time for you to list your okay, very glad to hear that. Please leave some questions. Oh, hi, please leave some questions. Please leave your contact number to our to my colleague. And I will contact you later about your garri processing question, okay? I see you, sir, I see you. Very glad to see you. So any questions for this processing line? Do you have any questions? Please write it and I will say it to you. Any questions? Hello? Anyone else? Anyone else here? Thank you, thank you. Which city are you? Which city are you in now, Mr. Divine? We have a branch office in Lagos. Are you next to Lagos? Yes, sir. I see your question. Do you do cassava flour flash dryer? We do it. We have it. We have the cassava flour flash dryer. Please leave your contact number and I will call you later about the cassava flour flash dryer. We also have this, but today, because of the time, maybe I will show you when I back to my office. Delta State. Oh, I know Delta State. I know Delta State. Not very far, right? For the cassava flour flash dryer, this one, please see this one. We have it. We have the pipes and we have the system, flash system. Can you see this one? This smaller one, the pipe. This one is the cassava flour flash dryer, a part of the cassava flour flash dryer. Let me find more pictures to you. And have you seen this one? This picture? Mr. Sargon? This one. This one is the picture of installation. The flash dryer installation. This picture, you see it is the pipes. The pipes, this one. And we have it. Okay. Every machine about the cassava processing, we all have it. About the cassava flour, garri, and the cassava starch, we all have it. We all have the whole processing line of how to process it, and we also have some small machines for the startups. Because I know it, there are many people want to do this business in Africa, and maybe they don't have so much places to place the machines. So we also have the smaller one. We also have the smaller one for you to start up your own business, to do garri, to sell the garri, and to process the cassava, to make it into money, turn it into money. We also have these machines. We have small one, and about the price, it depends on different capacity. So after we know your capacity, we will tell you the price of the machines, and we will tell you how big land you need. So any questions? Is there anyone in this live room? Any questions? If you have any question, please leave your contact number and we will call you later. Any smaller one? We have smaller one. We have smaller one. I will tell you later, okay, the smaller one. For the small one, we process 4 tons raw materials per day, and we get 1 ton garri per day. We have smaller one, and we have 6 machines. The first one is the peeling machine. Mr. Divine, please listen to me. The first one is peeling machine, and the next one is this one, grating machine, and then the hydraulic press, and then the garri fryer, and then the vibration sieve, and then the packaging machine. For smaller one, you can buy 6 machines and you can process garri. You can process cassava into garri. And by using this machine, you can process 4 tons raw materials per day, and you can get 1 ton garri per day. So is there any problems? If you don't have problems, I will say bye-bye to you guys. Any problem? No problem, I will say bye-bye. Is there anyone in this room? Please write something, okay? No one? No other question? Okay. Dear friend, Divine and Sakun, I will contact you later. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.